Today, we're talking about Tikosyn, a medication used to treat certain types of serious irregular heartbeat, such as atrial fibrillation/flutter. It helps to restore normal heart rhythm and maintain a regular, steady heartbeat. Tikosyn, also known as dofetilide, is an anti-arrhythmic drug that works by blocking the activity of certain electrical signals in the heart that can cause an irregular heartbeat. By treating an irregular heartbeat, Tikosyn can decrease the risk for blood clots, reducing your risk of heart attack or stroke. It's important to take Tikosyn exactly as prescribed by your doctor, and to follow their instructions on dosage and timing for the best results. Before taking Tikosyn, make sure to read the medication guide provided by your pharmacist. Take this medication orally, as directed by your doctor, usually twice daily. It's crucial to take Tikosyn exactly as prescribed to reduce the risk of serious side effects. The dosage will be determined based on your medical condition, kidney function, and response to treatment. Take Tikosyn regularly at the same times each day to get the most benefit from it. Let your doctor know if your condition does not improve or worsens. Some common side effects of Tikosyn include headache, dizziness, and nausea. If these effects persist or worsen, inform your doctor or pharmacist. It's important to remember that this medication has been prescribed to you because your doctor believes that the benefits outweigh the potential side effects. Many people who use this medication do not experience serious side effects. However, seek immediate medical attention if you experience any severe side effects such as chest pain, fainting, faster or irregular heartbeat, or severe dizziness. While rare, a serious allergic reaction to this drug may occur. Seek medical help right away if you notice symptoms such as rash, swelling of the face/tongue/throat, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not an exhaustive list of possible side effects. If you notice any other effects not mentioned here, contact your doctor or pharmacist. In the U.S., you can report any side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. For people with irregular heartbeat, Tikosyn can provide great benefits. However, it's important to note that in rare cases, it may cause a serious new irregular heartbeat. That's why when starting, restarting, or increasing your dose, your doctor will recommend that you stay in the hospital for at least 3 days for proper monitoring. It's important to take Tikosyn exactly as prescribed by your doctor, and to never take more or less than the recommended dose. The optimal timing for taking Tikosyn is usually twice a day, 12 hours apart, and it's important to take it with food. Be sure to follow your doctor's instructions carefully and let them know of any other medications or supplements you may be taking. Before taking Tikosyn, make sure to inform your doctor if you are allergic to it or if you have any other allergies. This medication may contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions or other problems, so it's important to talk to your pharmacist for more details. Before using Tikosyn, be sure to tell your doctor about your medical history, especially if you have kidney problems or liver disease. Tikosyn may cause dizziness. It's important to avoid alcohol or marijuana as they can make you even more dizzy. Make sure not to drive, use machinery, or do anything that requires alertness until you can do it safely. Limiting alcoholic beverages is also recommended. If you are using marijuana, it's important to talk to your doctor. This medication may cause a condition that affects the rhythm of your heart, known as QT prolongation. This can rarely lead to serious, and rarely fatal, fast or irregular heartbeat, as well as other symptoms such as severe dizziness or fainting that require immediate medical attention. The risk of QT prolongation may be increased if you have certain medical conditions or are taking other drugs that may cause QT prolongation. It's important to inform your doctor of all the drugs you are taking and if you have any of the following conditions: certain heart problems, family history of certain heart problems, or low levels of potassium or magnesium in your blood. This risk may also increase if you use certain drugs, or if you have conditions such as severe sweating, diarrhea, or vomiting. Be sure to talk to your doctor about using Tikosyn safely. Older adults may be more sensitive to the side effects of this drug, especially QT prolongation. If you are pregnant, Tikosyn should only be used when clearly needed. It's important to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. It is unknown if this drug passes into breast milk, so consult your doctor before breastfeeding. It's important to be aware of potential drug interactions that could affect how Tikosyn works or increase the risk of serious side effects. Be sure to keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Do not make any changes to your medications without consulting your doctor. Some products that may interact with Tikosyn include dolutegravir and fingolimod. In addition, there are many other drugs that may affect the heart rhythm, such as certain antibiotics and medications for heart conditions. It's also important to note that other medications can affect the removal of Tikosyn from your body, which may impact its effectiveness. Examples of these medications include cephalexin, hydrochlorothiazide, itraconazole, and verapamil, among others. Finally, it's recommended to avoid taking cimetidine while being treated with Tikosyn. Be sure to discuss with your doctor or pharmacist about any other medications you are taking for heartburn or upset stomach. Overall, it's crucial to communicate with your healthcare provider about all the medications you are taking to ensure the safe and effective use of Tikosyn. If someone has taken too much Tikosyn and is experiencing serious symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help by calling 911 or a poison control center. In the U.S., residents can call their local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. Canadian residents can call a provincial poison control center. Symptoms of Tikosyn overdose may include dizziness and fainting. Tikosyn is used to treat irregular heartbeats, atrial fibrillation or atrial flutter. It helps to restore a normal heart rhythm and maintain a steady heartbeat. It is important to take Tikosyn exactly as prescribed by your doctor. The dosage and timing of Tikosyn will be based on your medical condition and response to treatment. It is usually taken by mouth with food twice a day, approximately 12 hours apart. Be sure to follow your doctor's instructions carefully. It's important not to share Tikosyn with others. Before starting and while taking this medication, you may need to undergo lab and/or medical tests, such as EKG and kidney function tests. It's important to keep all of your medical and lab appointments. Talk to your doctor for more information. If you forget to take a dose of Tikosyn, just wait until your next scheduled dose. Don't take extra to make up for the missed dose. Make sure to store Tikosyn at room temperature, away from light and moisture, and not in the bathroom. Keep it out of reach of children and pets. Do not flush Tikosyn down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. When it is expired or you no longer need it, be sure to properly discard the product. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for more information. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.